Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find keyboard shortcuts on Tradingview. These shortcuts help us work faster and navigate the platform more easily. Let's get started. On the Tradingview dashboard, when we are in the supercharged dashboard, we can find all the keyboard shortcuts in just a few clicks. All we need to do is click the mini profile logo in the upper left part of the dashboard. From there, we just click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, we can see the shortcuts for different features, such as charts. There are shortcuts for charts, for alerts, and for indicators and drawings. We can also see watch list shortcuts, as well as alert shortcuts. It is a good idea to memorize these so we can use them while trading. That is how we find keyboard shortcuts on Tradingview. By using these shortcuts, we can speed up our workflow and make charting much easier.